Hello! Today we're going to learn how to draw and modify walls in Cedreo. There are 4 possibilities under the layout step: the lot, walls, partition walls, and hidden walls. The first option for the lot allows you to draw the terrain of your project. Once selected, you will automatically switch to the terrain level. To create a plot, click on each corner, then double-click to complete the created space. The wall and partition wall tabs will automatically switch to the ground level. Click here to change the wall thickness. Select the type of wall, then left-click to start drawing. The terrain level will be updated in real time to reflect the home being built. To stop the drawing, click on the button. When all the walls are well connected, the floor will appear in all rooms created. If there is still a grid present in the room, this means walls are not fully connected. Once the rooms have been created, move the walls using the left mouse click or the keyboard arrows. Please note, you can align walls of different thickness by moving the wall to the edge of another wall. To change the height and thickness of individual walls, select the wall and customize the options in the right panel. To change the height of the whole level, click outside of the home on the grid and increase the level of the whole level. This will give you the option to make certain walls taller if needed. The blue ball in the corner allows you to change the angle in the same way. Please note, make sure each wall meets at exactly 90 degrees to avoid any issues when placing the roof and wall openings. Finally, the Hidden Walls tab is used in the same way as the previous walls, but allows you to identify a space without visual walls. This comes in handy when creating an open floor plan or to determine an outdoor patio with a floor. That's it. Now is your turn. Feel free to contact us at the email provided. We are always available to help.